A goal is not a strategy. What's up, guys? Welcome to Build, Hire, Fire, a channel dedicated to helping owners design their business to run without them in 3 simple steps. Build organic systems, hire a team, and then fire yourself. So if you are an owner who's tired of wearing all the hats in their business, subscribe to this channel because we release content around those 3 categories. Also, click the link below to join our private Facebook group where you can connect with entrepreneurs just like us. There's a big difference between a goal and a strategy, and a lot of us tend to lump them together. We set a goal and that's it. That's the goal. That's the strategy. But there's a difference between a goal and a strategy. A goal is the end result. The goal is what we want to get to. A goal is the finish line. The goal is success. And when we write our goals down and we review those goals, there's no strategy attached to that goal. What is a strategy? A strategy is going to be your roadmap to hitting, to getting somewhere or going somewhere. So they need each other, but they should not exist apart. Essentially, the phrase should be, I have this goal and this strategy is going to get me to this goal. And that's how it should be positioned. Examples of some of these goals can be a certain follower count on a social network. It could be generating, double your leads, double your sales for this quarter. Solid goals, and you can put those up on sticky notes. Boom, that's a goal, that's a goal, that's a goal. But the goal up there by itself is basically a wish if you don't have a roadmap and milestones set up to help you reach that goal. So if you're creating goals in your business and you don't have a strategy step by step and to reach that goal, then it's just a piece of paper on a wall. And I'm not against having goals. What I am against is having goals that don't have strategy involved, that don't have milestones involved, that don't have systems involved, because these goals are what you want to see for your business. There are really big deals in your business. But, and I've done it myself. I have set this goal to be this thing or to do this thing. But if my goal is to lose X amount of pounds, but there's no, go to the gym X amount of days a week, also change my diet to this, also do this much cardio. As you can see, that's strategy. The strategy is gym, cardio, diet, strategy. But if there's no goal of losing X amount of weight, then I'm really just going to the gym just to go to the gym with no foreseeable goal. And it's the same with the opposite. If I want to lose 40 pounds and that's the goal, how am I going to lose 40 pounds? So the next time you create a set of goals, start with the goal, reverse engineer it, and then build a timeline of, by here I want to be doing this, by here I want to be doing that, by here I should be here, by here I should be here. And then by the time I'm at the goal, I can retrace back to how I got here. The same thing goes with systems in your business. If you have a function that is here and there is no playbook or roadmap to get to that function, anybody who you hire just gets the function. Here's the function. Here's what I want it to do. Here's the result that I want. That person is going to be like, so how do I get to this result? Like, what's the play? What are the step-by-steps? And if your business does not have systems, then you have a ton of results, great results that's currently making money, but no systems means the only person that knows how to work these results are you, which is why every hat in the business is on your head. So I hope this metaphor helps you to see the difference between a goal and a strategy, and how a function in your business and the system in your business is the goal and strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget about our private Facebook group below that you can join and connect with us and other entrepreneurs who are wanting to fire themselves from every operation in their business. Until the next video, guys, see you next time.